Hello and welcome everyone. I am Tamilarasu, your business coach. Today we will be diving deep into the fascinating world of office management. We will explore 10 critical aspects that are instrumental in shaping an efficient, productive, and positive workplace. So let's begin.
1. Maximizing efficiency. The role of office management in business success. Office management plays a vital role in maximizing the efficiency of any business. It involves organizing work processes, optimizing resource usage, and ensuring all operations align with the company's strategic goals. Effective office management can enhance productivity, reduce costs, and pave the way for business success. 2. Top office management software, transforming workplace productivity. In the era of digital transformation, office management software plays a key role in streamlining operations and boosting workplace productivity. From project management tools to communication platforms, these software solutions automate routine tasks, foster collaboration, and provide valuable insights for decision-making. 3. Understanding the key principles of effective office management. Effective office management is underpinned by several key principles. This includes clear communication, strong leadership, efficient processes, technological proficiency, and a keen focus on employee well-being. By understanding and applying these principles, office managers can foster a productive and harmonious work environment. 4. Workplace culture. How office management impacts employee morale. Office management significantly impacts workplace culture and employee morale. By promoting transparency, inclusivity, and recognition, office managers can create a positive work environment where employees feel valued and motivated. A positive workplace culture not only boosts employee satisfaction but also enhances productivity and retention. 5. The future of office management, embracing the digital transformation. As we look towards the future, digital transformation is poised to redefine office management. By embracing digital tools, data analytics, remote work platforms, and AI-driven solutions, office managers can drive innovation, enhance efficiency, and navigate the challenges of a rapidly changing business landscape. 6. Office management strategies for optimal time and resource utilization. Efficient utilization of time and resources is a cornerstone of effective office management. This involves prioritizing tasks, delegating effectively, managing workflows, and leveraging technology to reduce waste and maximize productivity. Smart resource management not only boosts efficiency but also contributes to the bottom line. 7. Skills every office manager needs in the 21st century. In the 21st century, office managers need a diverse set of skills to thrive. This includes technological proficiency, leadership, communication, problem-solving, adaptability, and emotional intelligence. Continuous learning and development are also crucial in keeping pace with the evolving demands of the role. 8. Streamlining processes, the crucial role of office management in reducing overhead costs. Streamlining processes is another critical aspect of office management. It involves identifying inefficiencies, implementing improvements, and leveraging technology to simplify workflows. Efficient processes not only save time but also significantly reduce overhead costs. 9. Office management and employee engagement, creating a symbiotic relationship. There is a strong symbiotic relationship between office management and employee engagement. Effective office management fosters a high level of employee engagement, which in turn enhances workplace productivity and efficiency. Strategies to boost engagement include clear communication, recognition, providing development opportunities, and fostering a positive work environment. 10. Innovations in office management. A look at sustainable practices. Innovation is at the heart of modern office management, particularly in the realm of sustainability. Green office spaces, energy management systems, digital transformation, recycling and waste management, and sustainable procurement are some of the ways office management is going green. These sustainable practices not only contribute to environmental conservation but also lead to cost savings and improved corporate reputation. To conclude, mastering office management in the modern era requires a blend of traditional skills and innovative strategies. It involves fostering a positive workplace culture, leveraging technology, streamlining processes, promoting sustainability, and placing a strong focus on employee engagement. By focusing on these areas, businesses can create a thriving, productive, and resilient workplace capable of navigating the challenges of today and tomorrow. Remember, effective office management isn't just about running a smooth operation. It's about creating an environment where people and business can thrive. So, stay curious, stay informed, and keep striving for excellence in office management. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Please hit that subscribe button below. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I release a new video.